In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a media element from your Wix site in just a few easy steps. Whether you need to take down an image or video, I'll walk you through the exact process to do it efficiently. So let's dive in and get started on cleaning up your website. First things first, you'll want to open up your Wix editor in Chrome. While Wix supports various browsers, Chrome is generally recommended for the best performance, making it an ideal choice for managing your site. So open up your preferred device, launch Chrome, log into your Wix account, and navigate to the site you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, you should locate the specific strip that contains the image or video you want to remove. Think of the strip as a section of your web page designed to hold and organize content. If you have multiple strips, you may need to scroll or navigate through your site until you find the right one. Take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct section so we don't end up deleting something unintended. Now that you've homed in on that strip, click on it to select it. This action highlights the strip and shows the outlines or borders of all the elements it contains. You'll be able to see not only the media element you intend to remove, but also any text or additional components housed within the same strip. It's a good way to get a clear picture of what will be affected by your editing. With the strip selected, your next step is to pinpoint the exact media element you want to remove. It could be an image or a video, but make sure it's the correct one, especially if you have multiple media attachments in a single section. Simply click on the image or video, and it should be selected with resize handles or other markers indicating you have the right element. To remove the media element, you have a couple of easy options. You can press the Delete key on your keyboard, a straightforward and quick way to get rid of the unwanted content. Alternatively, you can right-click on the media element to bring up a context menu. From there, choose the Delete option. Both methods will effectively remove the item from your site. So pick the one you find most convenient or comfortable. Before you finish, it's crucial to save your changes. Remember, editing in Wix doesn't automatically update your live site until you choose to save and publish your work. So click on the Save button at the top of your editor to lock in the changes you just made. Lastly, it's always a good idea to preview your site to confirm the media element has indeed been removed. The preview function allows you to see your site just as visitors would without publishing it live. So go ahead, take a look and make sure everything appears as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a media element from your Wix site. Be sure to publish your site once you're happy with all the changes. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.